Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. And as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the time frame it will suit your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, guys, me, actually people they are in my Telegram channel, they know that me I buy from here. I don't buy a lot, I buy just $100 from here because it's look to me like the Bitcoin here in the 200 moving average. It show me here a big resistance here. That's why me I buy a little bit from here, from the 200 moving average, because I put here a pending order at the 200 moving average. Maybe from here we're going to see it going up because you don't know what's going to happen in the coming days. But why me I don't buy a lot from here? Because I don't got any price action here telling me I need to buy for long. Yes, you can even make now like that, something like that. You draw in here like a wage like that here in the daily. But here in the daily, that if you want to enter long, but for us here in the daily we got something here very different. Look at that. I show it to you in yesterday video here, that double top like that. That why me I don't buy a lot from here, from the 200 moving average. But me personally I'm thinking the Bitcoin is going to go up, and me I will show you why me I buy from here. I will show you everything, so stick with us. So as you see here, what we got, remember that wage here, on the top of that wage here, that one here, it's showing to us that pin bar we came today here, it's showing to us there is a big rejection happening here. Plus, as you remember, also we used to have here the last Friday there is a huge number of pots here, and all those people here they buying the Bitcoin from here. So that way you see Bitcoin is staying here, and that way me I buy because me I think it's going to go up. Tell where I'm going to show you, tell where exactly the Bitcoin is going to go up, but maybe just to touch here that 50 moving average, that red one here. Then after that maybe it's going to continue down, maybe it's going to change up. But also now we got a clear level here, as you see it here, that one here and that one here. Now maybe the Bitcoin is going to go back to touch it here, and after that maybe we're going to see another drop or no, because nobody knows what's going to happen in the coming days. That's why me I buy, and me for long-term investment I just wait till levels like that. And I haven't buy just the Bitcoin, I buy even the SP500, because even the SP500 it show a big pin bar in the daily time frame. That's when me I bought it. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now another thing here, because as you remember today is the night of Friday, and every day me I bought for you today the options. So let's go and do it together. Here we are in the page where we looking at the options. As you see, those was the levels we got here. As you see here, the level where we got here is it at 18k here. There is a huge number here of people they put in pending orders, and that's what me I told you there. I told you a lot of people they are waiting the Bitcoin to fall down between 17 till 18k, and as you see it here, the calls is 0.2, the pot is 3.07k. That's a huge number of Bitcoins they are waiting here to buy. That's a huge number compared to the market. That for the pots, let's see now the calls where they are. For the calls, as you see it, the strike price those people they chosen is it here at 25,500. As you see it, the calls is 61 Bitcoin, the pots is 0. So what else we said? 18k and 25,500. Those ones the levels. Going now to the chart to drawing those levels together. Here we are. We put in 18k here, and in the top we said 25,500. It's staying in his place as you see it. So now also we got two levels. First level here at 25,500, at down at 18k. Those was the levels. May I show it to you before? Now even if you zoom in out like that to see those levels where they are, let me show you those levels where they are. As you see those levels where they are, those levels I've been telling you the Bitcoin if it fall down that much is going to fall down just to that level here, and that's what it's showing even here. But me, I don't think it's going to fall down only from here. Maybe it's going to go up. It's waiting the coming days, because till now it's showing here at that wage here, it's been broken, a big resistance there. It's waiting the coming days what is going to tell us, guys. So now, as you see, also we're putting for you the options for the calls 25,500, for the pots at 18k. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here, what else we said? We said here we got the down trend line here, and it give us here like a channel here. As you see, it touched the lower of it here. Now either it's going to go back up to touch here, so it's need to come to break here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And I got something else for you here. Look with me here now. What the market tried to give you here. As you see it give you here a wage, very clear wage here. That's for the people they haven't entered with a short from here or from here. If the Bitcoin came now and break a lower here, you can enter short again. If it's not, if the Bitcoin came and breaking above here, you can enter long again, take profit for that one. It's going to be here at that level. And me in the daily I buy for, but for swing trading I haven't buy till now, because till now here for swing trading I'm still waiting, because till now the market hasn't given me any price action here telling me I need to buy. The only price action I got is that one. I just show it to you now. I got that wage here, as you see it, very clear wage now here. Now that one is need to come to be broken here for me to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long yet. I think picture is very clear to you. So going now to our indicators, what they saying. Our indicator, as you see it touched here yesterday the extreme oversold area here. I told you, now me, I'm looking to buy. In yesterday video, you can find all those things here. Now, should we buy from that level here? No, my friend, there is nothing yet. Also, we're still waiting the price action. Also, we're still waiting that trend line here to come the market to break it above here and to give us in the chart that price action being showing you now. It needs to be broken for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. So still now, also we're still here in the control of the bears. There is no bulls now in the market. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So as I told you, there is no bulls yet. It's only the bears we're still controlling now. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into our other indicator what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, also we've been here at the oversold area for some time now. Now, technically, also we need to looking for buy. For us to buy, I've been showing you the price actions we got. And me focused, as you see it here, at that trend line here, to be broken here. If it doesn't get broke, me, I'm not going to enter long. And me now, I got here another price action like that. As you see it, I got a wage here. If that one came and breaking above here, I'm going to enter long. If it doesn't, and it came like that, touch it here, then after that came and breaking down here, I'm going to enter short again. So till now here for swing trading, we don't have nothing clear. We need to wait in more what the market is going to tell us. And people they being with me, they remember me, I enter a short from here, from that flag here, like that. When it's getting broke, I enter from here. Till now I am in profit and I'm still holding my position. Yes, take it off some of the profit, because as you remember me, I used to have here a stop lose here, a buy from here. They used to have a stop lose here. It's being hit. So me, I back the money I lose in that stop lose here. And now I'm still waiting if the market is going to fall down more for me to take more profit, because that's how I trade me. It's like a hedging. Me, I buy, selling in the safe days and I buying in spot. So like that, vice versa. If the market go up, I'm going to win. If the market fall down, I'm going to lose. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the Bitcoin, it give us something here today. Look at it. It give you here a very clear diamond here. And that diamond, it's being broken here. As you see it, that diamond, it's being broken here. Should we enter long here? Yes, maybe you can enter long. But me, I'm still waiting that level here to be broken here. Because why? Because the Bitcoin, it tried to give me here like a head and shoulder here. As you see it here down. I'm still waiting if it's going to get broke here. If we break here, we are going to go back up till here. I'm going to tell you till where exactly. if you look in with me here, what we got here, that trend line here, as you see, how I started from here, here, and here. Maybe the Bitcoin, if it's breaking here, that level here, we are going to go till that level here. Then from there, we're going to see if we are going to continue it upward or we are going to fall down. Why me? I'm still believing the Bitcoin is going to go back up, because over here we got that trend line in the daily in that level here. That's why me, I'm still believing the Bitcoin is going to go up, and I'm still waiting here for scalping that level here to be broken. Here, that neckline to be broken. Everything is too clear. Let me show you more. Why me? I'm still believing why the Bitcoin is going to go up. Let me show you. I'm believing me the Bitcoin is going to go up because of that one. You see it here, and look with me here. We got a clear divergence here in 30 minutes. Look at it. You look in here and you look in here. We got a very, very, very clear divergence, as you see that place here, that the low, and even here that the real low, and over here that one just fake low. That's why me, I'm thinking the Bitcoin is will go up, but till now the neckline of that one is it here, that level here. Also, we need to wait until it's getting broke here. If it's getting broke here, we can enter long. For the diamond, you can enter long, but if you enter based on the diamond, you need to put stop loss down here. But me, I'm still waiting the break to happen here for the neckline here. You see it or no? That one here, it needs to be broken here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. Our indicator here in 30 minutes, it's showing it's breaking here from the bear's control to the bull's control here. In 30 minutes, me, I'm talking just for scalping and day trading. You need to remember those things very, 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 very well. I'm telling you. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.